Whoa. Is that a fire? Where's all that smoke coming from?
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? My name is Hameen Phillips, and you're watching the Sticky Web Domains channel. If you're a new subscriber to this channel, I want to welcome you to the Sticky Web Domains Nation. And if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Also, you guys, don't forget to hashtag SWDNation when you leave a comment so that I know you're up in here. So, this video is going to be a little different than what you guys are used to, because this is going to be in a vlog style. And this is inspired by one of my subscribers who left this comment. Love your channel. Could you do a video on a typical 7-day week on the railroad? When you got called in, what you did, what days off you had, stuff like that. I kind of thought, this might be a good idea, seeming that my daughter's coming this week, and I can kind of chronicle everything that is involved in my life and kind of a work-life balance between me, my kids, and my family. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to vlog my week. My daughter is a cute little 4-year-old, and she's a little fashion model. You can actually see one of her photos right here. So are you ready to go pick her up? Because I'm excited. Let's let the shenanigans begin. Sadie is ready. Caden is ready. Say hi, you guys.
Hi.
So go check out my channel.
Caden, are you excited to see your sister?
Yes.
And Sadie, are you excited?
Yeah.
Everyone is excited. The lighting in here sucks, you
Go
guys.
check out my channel, subscribe, and leave a like.
Okay, leave a like. I don't think he has a channel, but we are getting ready to get out of here and pick up Aubrey. So I hope you guys are ready, because we are about to bounce. Okay then, say hi to the people.
What's up?
Man, you up there stealing my stuff?
Hayden, Jasper, get over here.
He is up here. I caught him red-handed. I actually got him on camera stealing my snacks. I've been wondering where they've been
What
going.
do you mean say?
What
Your
are we
hiding
gonna-
spot got found, babe.
What are we gonna eat at night when we're watching movie night if we don't have any snacks?
Popcorn.
Okay, so we are ready to go get Aubrey. Coffee is ready. Let's go.
Yeah,
You got the wrong
baby.
coffee, babe.
Oh, switch it up, please.
You know mine.
I got the right coffee. Do you got the?
You need this bag?
Yeah, I need my camera.
You're not recording this.
Yeah, you don't see the dot?
Oh my gosh.
It's recording.
Oh my gosh.
You are on film right now. You just turned the lights off.
Yeah, because we're leaving.
You just messed up my.
Did you know there's a
Can
thing?
you open the door, Kaden? I'm recording.
Did you know there's a thing on that thing where it makes it so it's like
Where's my
light?
camera
Wrote the
bag?
script of a thing on the thing.
There, you can turn that and then it makes it light on it.
Really?
It like shines the light so you light.
Okay, people. We are going to record. Here's the neighbor. Say hi to the neighbor. Kaden.
The most hottest. Make sure to go check out the link
We are
down
going-
below and get the hottest merch in
Do
the
you want a
game.
blankie?
We're going to the Sticky Web Mobile. Check it out. This is what we are riding in to pick up Aubrey. I don't think you guys even ever seen a Sticky Web Mobile. It looks like something on a Batman, don't it?
I know.
How did you guys open the door? How do you even unlock it yet? This is ridiculous.
He's mad we don't have to get in the car without him.
I just don't understand how you unlocked it if I didn't. So, we're going to pick up Aubrey. We're almost there. What are we, about 10 minutes?
Yep.
We're about 10 minutes from seeing my daughter. Oh my goodness. Hold on, I got to pull over emergency truck. Dang.
What?
There's an emergency truck right behind me. Whoa.
That's on the way to the accident that was slowing her down.
So apparently there's this accident and it is causing everyone to be behind schedule. But we will be there in about 10 minutes. I finally get to see my little baby girl. I am excited.
Inside, she's got gloves. Okay. And I also packed her.
Lovey, say hi.
Yeah.
Give me 5.
Her coat and like cat and gloves and stuff.
So I finally got little Lovey. We are going to go back home. She is super excited to be here.
Of course. I figured.
She's been waiting so long to see Daddy, and we are going to kick it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa, look at that Dow. Is that your Dow? What the, what up? So, we got Aubrey and Caden are finally reunited. Yay! Give me 5. Okay. So, mission is complete. We got the little cookie. We have executed. And now we are going
Shopping.
No, I'm going back home because I'm broke. So, back home we go. You guys ready?
No.
Let's do it.
Until you buckle.
Okay then, don't tell the people I'm not buckled. Whoa, is that a fire? Where's all that smoke coming from? Can you zoom in on that?
No, I can't from here. We don't have a good angle.
What the? That looks like a fire. Something is definitely on fire over here. So we're driving back home and it looks like some kind of serious house fire or something going on here. Wow. Can you even see that on the camera?
Yeah.
Whoa. Man, that thing is burning. What the? What is that, a house? A store? A restaurant? That looked like a restaurant.
Actually, fire on that.
Coming out of the roof, yeah. It's a total loss.
Can you zoom all the way in on
I
it?
am.
Wow. That thing is burning. I don't even see a fire department around. We might have got here before the fire department.
Oh no, there's fire people out there.
Wow. So we're driving home and we just... something's on fire. And that is blazing. And it's right near a gas station.